So we're going to solve the system of equations here. The first equation is negative 7x plus 4y equals 24. The second equation is 4x minus 4y equals 0. And we could use substitution, get an x or a y by itself. But when you look at the y's here, you see 4y up here and negative 4y down here. This thing is just begging you to use elimination. So we'll add the two together, and the 4y and the negative 4y just disappear. So very quickly, we are at negative 3x equals 24. And if we get x completely by itself, we'll divide both sides by negative 3. We'll have x equals negative 8. So that was very quick. But we still have to find y. And this second equation here, 4x minus 4y equals 0, has smaller numbers, and this 0 over here means there's actually less numbers going on. So let's just use the second one. We could use the first one, but the second one looks like it'll be easier. So we'll plug in negative 8 for x. So we'll have 4 times negative 8 minus 4y equals 0. So clean this up. Negative 32 minus 4y equals 0. I'll bring the 32 to the other side. So negative 4y equals 32. Divide by the negative 4, we'll have y equals negative 8. So x is negative 8, y is negative 8. There's nothing wrong with that. If you question it or are very worried about it, just go back like we said, replace the x's in both, replace the y's in both, and see if they balance out. All right.